What is up, YouTube? This is FNH here with a brand new video to talk about Amazon affiliates, how you can make money through affiliate marketing. Now, before I even get into the video, I am going to basically first of all let you know what affiliate marketing is, how it works, how you can use it and utilize it to yourself, and how you can basically make extra money from it, or it's a side hustle if you want to call it, or even full-time jobs for a lot of people, on how this works and whatnot. So affiliate marketing is basically where you advertise or review, or in a sense advertise, review someone else's product, and in so when that product gets sold by clicking your specific link or your identifier per se, you get a specific or certain commission from that product after being sold. Now, the reason I wanted to start off with Amazon is this is one of the best, easiest possible ways where you can get into affiliate marketing. There's other platforms out there. I have not necessarily used them. I've personally only used Amazon, but I know there's other platforms out there. Some are better in terms of fee wise, some are a bit harder, like they might suck. It depends. It can vary all across. Obviously, you all know what Amazon is. Huge company, trillion-dollar corporation, and overall, I like it in the sense that it's legitimate. You get the money, it works, a lot of people use it, huge consumer base, easily available to technically get into any niche you want. It essentially does not matter. You can freaking get into anything. It could be anime, it could be barbecue, it could be dolls, it could be video games. Like any niche you do, you can get into it. Now, the reason I wanted to talk about this and how you can utilize it is, let's say you're a YouTuber such as myself. If you notice my videos, and again, I'm pretty sure if you look at my videos, if you look at my Amazon link, and if you read my descriptions, because I always say it at the bottom, I say if you purchase anything from these links, I may or may not receive a commission. Most likely I do, from these links. Now, the thing, and I'm going to talk about the good points about the Amazon affiliate marketing. Now, the thing is, as you can see, I only did last quarter just to show you like a good complete 3 months. So this would be Q3. This is Q3. So this is to basically show you how my Q3 has been. It's nothing crazy because, again, I just started. As you can see, I literally just started YouTube like 5-6 months ago. It's still growing. It's still going up significantly well. And you can see in those 3 months, I made $33. Overall, I think I've made way more from my first 2 quarters. But again, it's usually around this ballpark of what I make around a month. It's usually like 300-ish bucks. And what I wanted to talk about in this video is, if you see here, and like I wanted to tell you how it works. Now, the basic percentage is if someone clicks your link, let's say I shared Fallout 76, like I did in one of my videos, and you purchased it from the link below. It's $60. Amazon will give you up to 10% on that revenue, on the item shipped. Now, I think it varies. I've seen sometimes it being exactly 10, sometimes I've seen it being significantly lower, but they will give you something. So from that 60, you would have gotten $66. So that's how it usually works. It's off the tax. It has nothing to do with the tax, so the tax would not count on this. Now, the other thing that I wanted to talk about, aside from the revenue portion, the best thing about Amazon is if someone clicks your link and not purchases anything, let's say they don't purchase that item they clicked on, but they left Amazon, and I don't know if it's 24 hours or 3 days or 72 hours, I really can't recall, but it's one of the, I'll leave like descriptions, like you can literally read their FAQ page and whatnot. But if they still purchase something within that time frame, like something else, let's say they clicked on Fallout 76, they clicked out, they went back on Amazon, same IP address, phone, whatever the hell it was, and let's say they bought a Rolex, you will still get commission on that Rolex. It will be much less, but you will still get it. So that's the best thing about Amazon. You don't even have to get them to buy. You have to just get them to click on your websites, or on your links per se, and make them just keep clicking and clicking and eventually going in Amazon. That's why Amazon, in my perspective, is the most efficient one, because it lets you do those specific things where you can just keep on telling people to click and keep going into the site, and eventually, again, a lot of people use Amazon, they will eventually end up buying something. You'll get paid less, but you keep building that up and into a snowball effect in which then it grows, and your clicks will grow, your orders will grow, your earnings will grow. It's literally in that projection that it goes to. So as you can see here, for the quarter, I had 500 clicks. I feel like I could have done much better. I feel like I will start to eventually do better. Next year, my goal is to go in a much better perspective. Obviously, there'll be more videos out, there'll be more products I'll be reviewing, etc. And obviously, I'll be getting more views, and it'll grow from there. But around 500 clicks, as you can see, I had 36 items that were ordered, and from the 36, 35 were shipped. I don't know what the hell happened to one of them. Either it was bought literally at the end of September and maybe it goes to Q4, or maybe it just didn't ship. It could have been a pre-order. That's also a possibility, by the way. 3 items were returned, and it was a conversion rate of 7%. I don't know if that's statistically good. Overall, it seems really good. But as you can see here, this is how much revenue that products made. And obviously, if you do a 10% of that, that's not exactly 10%. It would have been $54 probably. But you can see it's a little less than that. So it basically around what, like maybe this is like a 6-ish percentage range, 7-ish percentage range that of the earnings I got. And yeah, so overall, this is basically on top of making YouTube videos and getting money from those after I was monetized. It wasn't initially. I just recently got, like, in end of September. After that, on top of this, I get extra from affiliate marketing. So this is, again, if you want to go into the reviewing market, obviously you guys could have a website also. You guys could tell your friends about it. You could just share it. Like, you could be an influencer. You could have an Instagram. Like, I don't have those. I'm not a specific niche. I do a lot of overall everything. I tend to try to stay towards tech, but you have seen me do other reviews as well. Overall, so this is where I was going to show you the products that were ordered, the products that were clicked. So you can see these are specific items that I have reviewed. I have reviewed this where you can see it says product link clicks, because this is a specific product I actually shared. This is another one of them, a fitness tracker that I have reviewed. And again, you can see the conversion rate, and you can see how many were ordered through this link. So this is a good example. I have no clue what this is. It says t-shirt, I think. Is it? Yeah, it's a t-shirt. There's no click links. There's nothing, and it's not even through a link, and there were still 3 ordered. See, this is where those other ones kick in, where I was discussing. Again, I've reviewed this as well. You can see 1 order, 2 orders, and you actually see is it over here? Yeah, 2 orders over here. So there was basically 1 order, and then this person also bought something else on top of the FIFA mic that I reviewed. And again, all of these other ones where I had all of these were clicks from other things. They went in, they saw something else, either the other page, or they went back, and then they ended up purchasing it. Obviously, the thing is much lower. There's also, no, this is just 2 pages. Obviously, the thing is much lower than the overall, if you click it from the actual link itself, I think that would be much higher, but you still end up getting some sort of profit. So that's why I was saying overall, that's why I personally prefer Amazon over the rest. And I think this one just talks about earnings. The reports are a bit hard to read. So you can see these were, I think, I have it by item shipped. This one had this much revenue, and this is how much advertising fee I got, so around 9-ish%. This one was this, 35, $2.50. See, this one is significantly horrible, but this wasn't through my link. Same here. You can see, let me do it by, what was the highest item sold? Maybe I can filter it. Was that it? It was this one. So, yeah, but that was through a link. So I would say this one. You can see this one. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're bad, sometimes like really less. Like sometimes you get like, look, 60 cents. Like this, obviously much less than 10%. But again, it's within the range. You still end up getting it just because they purchased the product. You still get something from it. So obviously that's why I was saying, I want you guys to, like, if you are into this market and you're trying to get into it and you want to get into affiliate marketing, definitely go from Amazon. Again, I just do links. You can have a website and then have Amazon ads being shared all over your page. Instead of Google ads, you can have Amazon, or you can do a mixture of both. That's what a lot of people do. In the specific post review, like in the middle of the post, they'll put Amazon ads, and then on the top, like banner ads, on the side banner ads or whatever, you can have Google ads on the side. Again, you can mix and match. I can make a video on that if you guys want me to as well. And yeah, this is basically the way you can do affiliate marketing to earn extra income, to get extra money in your pocket. And again, this is paid monthly. I think Amazon's minimum, it used to be much more, but I think they changed it up to $20 or $25 a month now. So if you do have less than 25, it'll just stay there until it kicks and hits in 25, and boom, it gets straight deposit to your bank account. So yeah, overall, I hope you guys got some good idea and gist of how Amazon affiliate marketing works, and in general how affiliate marketing works. The other ones would be in the similar perspective. They'll have the same link with your tracker, or just a link with a tracker at the end, as you see probably a lot of YouTubers do. They will probably be like they would just say, let's say youtube.com/ their specific link, like PewDiePie, for example. It'll just go from there, and it lands on their page, and whatever gets purchased there, the person who sponsors them or tells them about it usually knows, and then they give them a cut of the revenue based off of that. But again, Amazon is obviously much more complex. You just put the link, it automatically knows, and it goes from there, and it even tracks them after they leave as well, which is, again, to me, the best feature of Amazon affiliate marketing. So yes. So yeah, overall, I hope you guys liked the video and you found it useful. So definitely give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. If you like the video and you have any comments, suggestions, feedback, let me know in the comment section below. If you want me to talk more about Amazon, if you want me to show you like different items on how it works, how to set up the account, all the different things, maybe put the ads in the website, how the website can work, all those things, let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely try to help you out on that. And that, FNH out. Peace.